What is going on YouTube? It's your boy DankWheelie, and we had to make a quick stop out here in Cleveland, Ohio on my way out to Pennsylvania to visit my boy Zach Goes, and none other than Mr. McLovin giving us a tour of the city.
McLovin? Why don't you pick a common name like a normal person?
I am McLovin.
Who's your man out here?
This is my dude Shane.
We got Shane on the old 60K mile 636 0304 with the steel frame, steel subframe. She looks trusty though. Cruising the city of Cleveland, Ohio today, and I went ahead and did a little research on some stuff about the city, so we'll go ahead and sprinkle that in as we ride around and check it out. We're doing another dual vlog, but we don't have Brian 636 out here, so we're using Mr. McLovin Stunts. He doesn't actually moto vlog or have a YouTube channel, so we'll see how he does.
I'll pull up here and get some good petrol. I got you on that baller gas off.
The baller gas. We're putting 87 in here, buddy.
Oh, come on, my guy.
Look at that. You did all that yourself? My man is a Sharpie god out here. I want to update guys on this gas tank and the leakingness of it. The guy that originally built the tank, he said he wanted to go ahead and hook me up with a new gas tank, and I'll just keep this one for the time being, and he's going to ship me another one once he gets a spare 0304 tank, so that's exciting. Won't have a leaker much longer. And I got this weird digi camo wrap tail fairing that I just tossed on, so it was easier to pack on the trip. But I plan on taking that off and doing an actual color scheme, and the frame is still broken. And those are your weekly updates for Betty White and the DankWheelie road trip series.
Here we go. We're gonna make our way down West 25th Street to the city.
McLovin here is very, very experienced with the knowledge of Cleveland, so he's gonna be giving us an in-depth look at the city and all the fun details and facts about it.
My guy setting me up for failure before we even start the ride. And for the most part, the police don't mess with us at all. You'll get the one or two that aren't having a good day, but other than that, it's pretty quiet around here.
What pipe is that, by the way?
It's some eBay pipe for $21.
Looks like Austin racing pipe.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah,
We're right by the zoo where they keep all the wild animals. And we're up, ladies and gentlemen, in Cleveland, going out West 25th.
Okay. All right, now we get to the sector where we're able to lane split, guys, and other things as well.
Yeah, my boy Shane with a stoppie. His bike is really clapped out. It looks good, but you know, looks are deceiving. Other than that, he's been riding lots. He kills it a lot. Does a bunch of technical stuff.
My man got the DankWheelie shirt on.
Representing the boy. It's the thing that gives me the abilities to do what I do. Making our way through the city to downtown.
You scrape on that metal plate, man, you be sliding like crazy, not in a good way. Yeah! My man goes through titanium once a day. Oh! Your boy got yeeted. Ouch!
Here we are down West 25th Street. The West Side Market is over here. It burned down completely inside, and they completely remodeled it. It's a great place to get food, chill, have a drink.
Here we have some sketchy looking overpass. Looks like it's good for doing wheelies. Ah!
My boy, DankWheelie, 100% real street killer right there. All gas, I see you up there, Dank. My city, the people, the cops, everyone enjoys what we do and shows us mad love.
What a beautiful view, people. Thank you for whoever built it. Here's the Indians baseball stadium, people. I don't know anything about baseball. I do know the Browns suck.
Sadly, the Browns do suck here in Cleveland. They put fridges full of Bud Light all around the city, and the agreement was once the Browns won one game, they would cut the chains on the doors and let everyone in the city drink for free. Amazingly, this year, the Browns actually did win a game, and everyone got to drink some Bud Light on the house.
Let me stop and get some drink.
Cleveland does come across as one of the most violent cities out there to live in, but in reality, it's a pretty small city compared to any major cities like Chicago or St. Louis. So when there's such a small amount of people, if they do act violent, it does show in the numbers as one of the most dangerous places to live. But it really isn't. The people are nice around here, and they're not going to try anything unless you unless you're trying to do something.
I seen it was like 350,000 people total or something like that. You'd think there'd be like 1 million plus people here, but there's really not 1 million plus people in Cleveland, I think it said. That being said, all the states or all the cities that you guys hear about, all the famous popular cities, with that low of numbers that people live in here, at one point in time, this Cleveland was the 5th most popular city in the entire country, and that was in the early 2000s when the industry was booming. And at that point, like I think it was Rockefeller, he was out here, and like he said, since there's not a lot of people around here, then when there is little crimes, there could be 10 crimes in a way bigger city, but if there's 4 over here, they're going to be a lot more higher statistics with those numbers. But we're going to go ahead and hop on the bikes and hopefully work our way towards downtown. Let's get it!
Yeah, we're actually going to take E55th Street down into East Cleveland, which at one time was where the Rockefellers lived and a bunch of the high wealthy elite, but as they moved out and careers changed and business left the city of Cleveland, the city's just got degraded and it's turned into none less than a hood, and a lot of violence does happen in these streets, and I just like to come down here and see the people and bring some joy into their day, because on the regular they're just seeing nothing but violence and crimes committed all over their neighborhoods.
So it's like once all the celebrities, all the money flow and all the tourism goes down, and then everything else just goes down with it.
Right, exactly. There's a neighborhood in Cleveland called Elderwood, which is known to be so violent that the police don't even patrol through that city block. It was one of the most richest neighborhoods and now has turned into the most dangerous neighborhood in Cleveland. We took a ride through there way back in the day, and some guy came out of an abandoned house and actually hit someone in the head off a bike with a brick and stole his bike from the pack of riders. It was insane.
Oh my God.
We've never been back there since.
Well, that kills my next question. Some places are just off limits for wheelies. And back to your regular scheduled broadcast.
I ain't trying for tonight. Sweaty songs gon' be the kid with me. Gon' beat it down. We feel like we're on the fire. So pull me up another cup of Hennessy. See me, family me versus the game with me. Love got to see you. Lord God, this figure there. You with me. I just remember a time when they couldn't date it. Started this hands on the very same afternoon. When they come to me, they fucking like me. Feeling from the crib a couple months before. Would have ever known a lie.
You better do something good.
Thinking of life used to come to me. We don't ever get no answers though.
Oh man,
So much
turn
of
it.
how
What's that scream? Oh shit! High chair into the trash truck, that Cleveland style.
Hop on the stick until the hose ride. Fucking up niggas on the boats and drag. Cause I'm the go we can roll for the poster ride. Gotta see close to the words and the spoken line. But I have some I never spoke a lie.
We are out here downtown. Where are they at though? Hey, little kids know about it. Always for the kids.
We got the wave from the police officer back there. He was loving it.
Cleveland's lit, people. This is the heart of downtown, and we get to do wheelies in it because the mayor said so. If you guys haven't seen Superbad, you might not know that McLevin gets to do what he wants in the city.
Yeah, for the most part, we get to do what we want, when we want, and where we want to.
While respecting everyone else, so of course, people. That's the main thing.
Well, yes, exactly.
Of course.
We try to have respect for
Yeah,
the
we gotta have a
city.
disclaimer there. I want to do circles at like the gangster spot we can find.
Here's the Playhouse Square where many of great performances go on. They have a big chandelier hanging out front, which we'll see in a few minutes, and our boy DankWheelie will do some circles for us.
Here we got the Playhouse Square he was talking about. I think it was pretty ritzy. I'm sure valet's $5.
Just bust out some circles right here in the bus lane.
Get a good
Our
view.
boy DankWheelie showing out for the 216 right here. People are loving it.
Woo, we out here.
Yeah, we're out here today in Cleveland.
Oh, put the Frogger's bonus points.
This guy is a murderer. And we are out of here.
Alright, McLovin, show him the street work. Yeah, oh gas. Hey, appreciate it. Cleveland's awesome. There's the colorful lights I was telling you guys about.
It's kind of too hot right now to be over here.
There's a three-man army out here in Cleveland on a chilly Wednesday, popping wheelies. Oh, you want the one-handers? Okay. Woo!
I'm gonna scrape. I'm gonna scrape.
Scrape, scrape, scrape. Oh, baby scrape from me. It's not much, but it's honest work. Oh, look at stump bikes. What we got? I see clip-ons. I see dirt bars. Oh, they want me to flip the streets in front of them? Okay. Oh, look at this road. What a treat. The out-of-towners starting packs. What's up, man? What's happening? Mike, nice to meet you. All right, guys, well, that's going to conclude our dual vlog. I'm going to finish up a little bit more riding with this random pack that we found, but yo! My man out here. He got like 6 dogs on that thing. 1, 2, 3, 4 dogs on my scooter. Everybody go check out my boy McLovin on Instagram. Go ahead and show him some love for getting me out here to the city so we could give you guys a nice tour and a little bit of info about this nice little town. I want to see these guys with. Oh, he's got the burnouts. Pulling burnouts. I'm letting that carb scream. A lot of movies were filmed here. They had the Avengers filmed here. They had Captain America, Civil War. What else did they have? Because I'm reading this shit off a phone. They also had the Fate of the Furious out here filmed. Alright, second gear, no-hander, 10-pitch. That'll be my longest one, boy. Third gear, too. Woo! Yes. You're not filming, McLovin. That thing is chirping. Woo! Was that a special occasion? I love the way the city just flows. Rev it up, rev it up! Rev it up! Ah! Changing lives out here. I didn't mean to stop those kids in traffic, but they wanted to rev that bike. Sharpie bike out here? Oh, and he's down. He's down! Woo! I've always wanted to kick off my cage out of a spreader. I just remember to do it. This is the advanced course. Yeah, don't wheelie on it, just stand on your tank. Dude, holy sh... He locked in that throttle, boy! Oh, look at this guy doing spreaders on the gas tank then. What a legend. That's impressive. Oh, with the bump. It's already been 30. Oh, it dropped. It's been 30. Yeah, I've seen that. All right, we gotta get some gas, people. Always stay gassed up. Rule number 1. We're out here. What? Look at that city. We've unlocked some longer coasters in Cleveland, people. Woo! That thing is broken. So my stay out here for 2 days is coming to an end. I'm super happy I had a chance to come out here and ride at Cleveland with my boy McLovin and his group of boys out here. I know there's plenty of other riders out here, but It's just a little cold out right now, so everybody's scared. But let's do an outro with this progressive field where the Indians play baseball. How epic. Alrighty guys, that's gonna wrap up my time out here in Cleveland. I'll be traveling the whole country doing wheelies everywhere I can, spreading the positivity. If you guys enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and like always, keep it dank. Later!
It's good to finally let go. I ain't worried about a thing. I just like to keep it mellow.
Yeah, I like to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep